Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 15th April 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, the Father is having a heart-to-heart conversation with you spirits. You have come to the Father to insure your lives for 21 births. You insure your lives in such a way that you become immortal. Question. Human beings have life insurance, and you Brahmins also insure your lives. What is the difference? Answer. Human beings have life insurance so that, if they die, their families receive money. You children now have life insurance against dying for 21 births, you become immortal. In the golden age, there are no insurance companies. You should now have the happiness that you are insuring your lives and that you will never die. Song. Who came to my door in the early morning hours? Essence for Dharana. Number 1. Become introverted and make your stage strong. Practice. I am a soul and I am giving my brother's soul the Father's message. Make incognito effort to become soul conscious in this way. Number 2. Become interested in doing spiritual service. Make effort to make others similar to yourself. The influence of some company is very dirty. Therefore, protect yourself from it. Do not form the habit of taking wrong food or drink. Blessing for today. May you be an image of support for the world and remain constantly busy in the task of world benefit. Details are: World benefactor children cannot remain free even in their dreams. Those who keep busy in doing service day and night only see new things in their dreams. They see plans and methods of doing service. Because they keep busy in doing service, they are protected from any waste in their own efforts or anyone else's waste. The unlimited souls of the world remain constantly emerged in front of them. They cannot have the slightest carelessness. Such serviceable children receive the blessing of being images of support. Slogan is: Each second of the confluence age is equal to many years, and so do not waste time because of carelessness. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Remain constantly victorious with the awareness of the combined form. Those who have the Almighty Authority Father combined with them will automatically have all the powers with them. It is impossible for there not to be success where there are all the powers. If you find a good companion in Lokic life, you wouldn't leave him or her alone. This one here is your eternal companion. He is not a companion who would deceive you. He is the one who always fulfills his companionship, so constantly stay with him.